Hi, I'm Abby, the online avatar that assists Chris with review summaries from each of your classes. Welcome to the Class 3 QuickBooks Online Training Summary. In the last class, we learned about basic financial statements and basic QuickBook entries. In Class 3 with Chris, we will practice more QuickBook entries and ensure that you can find your work and adjust it, if needed. When filling in a screen in QuickBooks, you may need to create an account or category or item if it does not exist yet. An example might be when you record a cell phone bill and you need to choose an account or category for it. If you don't see a category to choose that best matches phone or cell phone, you can easily type the new account name or category and ensure it has the right settings. There are three main basic options when you click the New button and look at the customer's options. Invoice is to create a new customer invoice that has not been paid. Receive payment is used only if there is already an existing invoice in QuickBooks and you are receiving a payment, or it can be used if you are receiving a deposit. Sales receipt is to record a sale that has already occurred and has been paid in full. Now look at the four main basic options in the supplier's options. Expense is used to record an expense or asset that was fully paid and you did not use a check. Check means you bought an expense or asset and used a check. Bill is used when you receive a bill and you do not pay it in full. Pay bills can be used to pay a bill that was already entered in QuickBooks. QuickBooks makes it very easy to locate a previous entry. Click the search button and you will see the most recent entry. Simply click the entry you need, and once you see it, just make the required changes to it. You can change a date, an amount, or any detail that you see on the screen, and then you can save it. At the bottom of every entry is a More button. These 5 items make life easier. Copy an entry if you have another similar entry to make. Void and entry to keep it in the system can show as voided. Delete will remove the entry from all main views. Transaction Journal shows us the debits and credits that are happening in the background. Audit History will show us any changes that have been made to the entry. To summarize Class 3, we practice making lots of entries and we practice adjusting entries. You should be getting more comfortable with making entries, and you can always go to your student sample company to repeat the exercises. Joke time. What's an accountant's preferred exercise? Doing crunches. Number crunches. That's it for the Class 3 review.